What's my warrant for? Okay.
Oh, it's Magana.
Passenger side.
Okay.
We're just gonna search it first.
Okay, what's the warrant for?
Give a bag.
Yep.
I got you. What's the warrant for? What do you take me to jail for? Oh, hell no. Give me a breathalyzer. Give me a breathalyzer. Got a vodka bottle in my bag. Vodka bottle in my phone.
What's that? Vodka bottle?
I got some vodka full of in my jacket.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Give a little bit of room.
Won't come off.
It won't come off?
Yep. There it is. Get my backpack and my jacket. Okay, but no, if bubbly pop take, because I'm speaking back to you, you take me to jail for that? Can I get a breathalyzer? Can I get a breathalyzer? So the breathalyzer will show you if I'm under the influence. What? No, wait. So you saying by your personal opinion, did you get my blue jacket too?
We got it.
Okay, so, no, what are you arresting me for? Intoxication? Then give me a breathalyzer. Then how can you consider a guy intoxicated? So it's your personal opinion? It's your personal opinion?
Did you get all his bags or anything?
It's your personal opinion?
Separate your feet for me. Separate your feet for me.
Do I go this way or do you want me to go that way?
Is that?
Do you want me to go this way or do you want me to go that way? So how could we in the restaurant? How could we in the restaurant? Come on, I can get a ticket. Huh? What's for lunch? What's for lunch?
We're gonna go around there.
Can I get my glasses?
Yeah,
Pick
I'll
those
grab
up.
it. You step over.
Got my cowboy hat?
We got it.
You going to take the county jail? And I'm under arrest for what?
Yeah. We're waiting for the criminal to come back. Okay. You want to go there? Yeah, you want to go Nope. Okay. Thank you, sir. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Yep.
Steve. 38. This is today and tomorrow. 38. Only days that we have the sun.
Green is 1015 for 647.
Hey.
We're feeling better.
65 as the transporting route. 1019. Myself and 08 route. 1019 as well.
So they had a bunch of units here.
I copy and his criminal history's been attached.
All right.
And in the last 2-3 hours.
Have a good one.
You too, Gabriel.